Hello friends, I am Dr. Sudeep. In my channel, I'll be uploading videos concerning the practical applications of homeopathy. In this aspect, I have already done so many videos. If you are interested, please come to our channel and please see that all the videos. So today subject is, friends, in Pathak repertory, there are few very peculiar rubrics. So in those rubrics, I'll be touching few of the rubrics so that these rubrics are very important, and this will help you in finding the individualistic medicine for each individual patient. So in this session, I'll be covering around 9 rubrics. So in these all 9 rubrics are very important to understand and to apply. So first rubric is, friends, earthlet food. So here a physician must understand a person who is exerting his feet, who has a job of running, athletic foot. So there are only 2 medicines Dr. Pathak has given. One is graphitis, another is Senicula. So these are the only 2 medicines given by Dr. Pathak in this athlete's foot. So this is one of the very important rubric I wanted to discuss. So the second rubric what I wanted to talk is atony. So in Pathak repertory, if you keenly observe, a single word will represent a totality of the individual. So here what Dr. Pathak is telling is atony. This means failure of organs, failure of system, failure of mind, failure of any single part. This is called as atony. The tonicity, the movement is totally lost. So a single word represents a totality of the individual. So this atony, if you search the meaning of atony in the dictionary, you will come to know in which all directions this can be applied. So this atony, only one medicine Dr. Pathak has given, that is opium. So if you come across any patient who is very lazy, who is atonic, he is totally failed in his body, mind and his systems, then this opium is the medicine indicated, friends. So this is one of the very important rubric what I wanted to discuss today. Attacks recurrent. So this is one of the very important rubric wherein the symptoms are recurring in the spasmodic way, recurring attacks. So many people will come and tell a group of symptoms in which the attack will be in the very synchronizing way, so that these symptoms will be recurring. So recurrence of the symptoms at the same time, at the same hour, at the same time of the day, at the same time of the night. So this represents that you can choose this rubric, that attack recurrent. So there are other few sub-rubrics also. If you go through repertory, this Pathak repertory, attack recurring, then you can go and search all the rubric and understand all the rubric, friends. So this is one of the important rubric I wanted to discuss today about attack recurrent. Attention aggravates. So this is one of the very important rubric in Pathak repertory, wherein there is only one medicine he has given, Dr. Pathak has given, attention aggravates, ignitia. So this ignitia medicine has a quality wherein any person getting attention become aggravated. Attention aggravates. Ignitia is the medicine, friends. And also another rubric in this same thing, that is attention ameliorates. There are only few medicines again, Gelsemium, Helleborus and so these are the only 3 medicines attention ameliorates. A person who is craving for attention, Hemamelis and Gelsemium. So this is the very peculiarity of Pathak repertory, wherein he specifies the mind state in his single rubric. So this is the very speciality of Pathak repertory. So this is the rubric I wanted to discuss about, friends. Next, attitude bizarre. So this attitude bizarre, one must understand, this is a peculiar position of the body in a sitting position, in a standing position, in a sleeping position, or any of the circumstances wherein very peculiar position a patient comes into or gets into a very peculiar position. This is called as attitude bizarre. So Dr. Pathak has coined this attitude bizarre, this rubric, and he has given a sub-rubric also for this. So if you go through this Pathak repertory, you will understand. So this attitude bizarre is one of the very important rubrics wherein it will be solving many cases, friends. So a patient comes and sits in a very peculiar way. So that is attitude bizarre. So this you must observe. So in homeopathy, what we will do is how he walks, how he looks, how he sits, how he stands, how he talks, all are very important. Due to that reason, this attitude bizarre or attitude position of the body is very important, friends. So please go through this rubric and understand the rubric is aura. So this aura is a big rubric wherein the sensation of body is been accumulated in this aura rubric. Different sensation in different parts of the body. So whenever there is a headache, a different sensation in the abdomen is felt in the patient. So this is called as aura. So different sensation in different parts of the body. This is one of the very important rubric. One beginning homeopath must know this. So you go through this aura rubric so that you can understand in detail how what are the sensation in different parts of the body. So this is one of the important rubric in Pathak repertory. Awake. So this awake is also a very big rubric. Here he gives many sub-rubrics so that these can be applied very fantastically, and if you understand this rubric, friends. So this awake has a minimum of 15 to 20 sub-rubrics. So I don't want to elaborate all the things. You just go through Pathak repertory, awake rubric, then sub-rubrics, so that you will understand in which all the circumstances this awake rubric can be applied, so that it will be very easy to get to the totality of the symptoms. So one of the very peculiarity of Pathak repertory is he is so down to earth, and he made the rubrics so easy to understand and apply to the young practitioner, so that if he has a keen eyes, if he has an open mind, if he has a understanding of these symptoms and converting these symptoms into a rubrics, so this will be very helpful in coming to the totality of the each individual patient to find the symptomatic similarity medicine for each individual medicine, friends. So these are all the few rubrics I wanted to discuss today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any doubts, please put in the comment section. I'll try to answer those questions. So in future also, I'll be getting this Pathak repertory rubrics, so that it will be very useful for a beginning homeopath. This is all today, friends. Thank you. Take care.